Hi, we wanted to introduce ourselves as team number 2 in order to continue in our proposal. These methods were specially designed to increase productivity in the company and also to provide incentives for the employees. It is highly considered that a company is more interesting by job seekers when there are certain things that will attract them, so we will disclose further on those slides. Microsoft is a technology developing company located in Seattle, Washington, with more than 151,000 employees in 2019. This company develops licenses and it supports a variety of software products that are used by various people in a daily basis. It is one of the biggest and better companies in the rank to invest in.
How his or her company could motivate their employees using McClelland's motivational theory. Managing a group of people with different personalities is not easy. If you're managing or leading a team, it's essential to know what motivates your people. Three motivators that David McClelland believed we all have are a need for achievement, a need for affiliation, and a need for power, and it's necessary to identify your people's motivating drivers. Their employees need to feel part of the Microsoft group and motivate them through initiatives based on their achievements. For example, Employee of the Month, monetary initiative, and vacation or extra hours.
Some examples. If an employee wants to work extra hours, he or she will have a non-monetary advantage incentives like tickets, discounts, amongst others. Microsoft encourages teamwork and cooperation by acknowledging individuals' contributions to their teams. Employees at Microsoft will have a special recognition for being Employee of the Month that would be shared by email when an employee does outstanding work. Microsoft can create rivalry competition between departmental co-workers and choose a winning team and reward them with an extra day of vacations. They'll get back a bonus check if they have innovative ideas that the company is willing to use.
Working in teams and individually in order to achieve the goals imposed by the team leaders. Having work done before finish lines to develop new habits. Ask your leader for any questions that may surge in order to finish the work.
The three relevant conclusions is that Microsoft employees enjoy competition over its peers. They motivate by taking risks to accomplish their goals and benefit by this. Millennials put more value on experiences over things, so the vacations incentive will motivate more Microsoft employees, while past generations will focus on monetary compensations. Giving feedback to the employees and negotiation incentives motivates them to go beyond expectations and conserve their place in the company.
Those with a high need for power work best when they are in charge because they enjoy competition, they do well with goal-oriented projects or tasks. They may also be very effective in negotiations or in situations in which another party must be convinced of an idea or goal. When providing feedback, be direct with these team members and keep them motivated by helping them further their career goals.
These all conclusions will help the company be at a level that will outstand the other companies and help them in the production process with their employees. Thank you.